You walk into a room. Someone smiles at you and asks the most common question in the English-speaking world. So, what do you do? 3 words. Simple, casual. And yet, millions of English learners freeze completely. Their mind goes blank. They know the answer in their own language, but in English, the words disappear. Today, that stops. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how to talk about your job in English. Your title, your tasks, your workplace, your feelings about your work, natural, confident, complete sentences. Let's begin. Your job title. The first thing people want to know is simple. What is your job? In English, we use one of 2 patterns. Pattern 1, I am a. Pattern 2, I work as a. Listen to these examples. I am a teacher. Say it with me. I am a teacher. I work as a nurse. Say it with me. I work as a nurse. I am an engineer. Say it with me. I am an engineer. Notice something. When the job starts with a vowel sound, we say an, not a, an engineer, an accountant, an architect. This is an important detail. Small, but important. Now, what if you don't have a job right now? No problem. English has simple answers for that too. I'm a student. I'm currently looking for work. I'm between jobs right now. The last phrase, between jobs, is very natural and very polite. Native speakers use it all the time. Repeat it. I'm between jobs right now. Where you work. After your title, people often ask where do you work? We use 2 patterns here. Pattern 1, I work at. Use this for a specific company or place. Pattern 2, I work in. Use this for an industry or general area. Examples. I work at a hospital. Say it, I work a hospital. I work in education. Say it. I work in education. I work at a small tech company. Say it. I work at a small tech company. I work in finance. Say it. I work in finance. Both patterns are correct, but they mean slightly different things. At points to a specific place, in points to a field or world. Learn both. Use both. What you actually do. Here's where most learners stop too early. They say their job title and nothing more, but real English conversation goes one step further. People want to know what you actually do every day. This is where the magic happens. We use a very simple structure. I plus an action verb. I teach English to young learners. Say it. I teach English to young learners. I design websites for small businesses. Say it. I design websites for small businesses. I help patients at a local clinic. Say it. I help patients at a local clinic. I manage a small team of 5 people. Say it. I manage a small team of 5 people. See the pattern? Subject, verb, object, extra detail. That one extra detail at the end makes your English sound natural and complete. Don't stop at the verb. Push one step further. How you feel about your job. This is the part most textbooks forget entirely, and it is one of the most powerful things you can add to any conversation. When someone asks about your job, sharing a feeling makes the conversation warm and real. I really enjoy my work. Say it. I really enjoy my work. It's challenging, but I love it. Say it. It's challenging, but I love it. Honestly, it's quite stressful sometimes. Say it. Honestly, it's quite stressful sometimes. It's a bit repetitive, but the team is great. Say it. It's a bit repetitive, but the team is great. Look at that last sentence. It sounds honest. It sounds human. It doesn't sound like a textbook. Native speakers talk like this all the time. Honest, balanced, real. You can do this too, putting IT all together. Now let's build a complete answer. One that sounds natural from start to finish. Imagine someone asks you, so what do you do? Here is a full answer. I work as a graphic designer at a small agency in the city. I mainly create logos and social media content for local businesses. I really enjoy the creative side of it, though it gets quite busy sometimes. Read it again slowly. Notice the structure: title, workplace, daily tasks, personal feeling. 4 simple pieces. 1 complete, confident answer. Now build your own. Use your real job or imagine one. Follow the same 4 pieces. Say it out loud. Say it again. And one more time. The more you say it, the more natural it feels. Quick review. Let's go through everything one final time. To say your title, I am a, or I work as a. To say your workplace, I work at or I work in. To describe your tasks, start with I plus an action verb, then add one detail. To share a feeling, use honest. Simple sentences with words like enjoy, love, challenging, stressful, rewarding. 4 pieces. That's all you need. You came into this lesson and you froze at 3 simple words. What do you do? Now you have the answer. A real one, a confident one, a complete one. This is how English works. Not memorizing rules. Building sentences piece by piece until they feel like yours. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. And we'll see you in the next lesson at English Cat Academy.